Kristen, take that big breath in. Let it all the way out. Good. Perfect. Nice. Feel that one?
Oh, yeah.
Dr. Kemp here with Oak Brook Medical Group. This is Kristen. Kristen, say hello.
Hi.
We're going to do an adjustment on Kristen today. She came here a few weeks ago with low back pain that I believe started in the gym. Is that correct?
Yep.
So we've been working on that. We're going to loosen her up right now. So you can come around to this side. All right. So we're going to start in her mid back here. Kristen, take that big breath in. Let it all the way out. Good. Good. Yeah, let me just check. You're going to be turning face this way. Perfect. Kristen has the routine down now. Loosen up that low back. Breath in and out. Good. Perfect. Other side. One more. Breath in and out. Nice. Feel that one?
Oh, yeah.
You can sit up here. How'd that feel?
That's good.
Good. All right, so that's it for us here today at OBMG. If you like Kristen, you hurt yourself at the gym, go ahead and give us a call.